I'm just kidding. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, today, if you caught the upload from last week, we were out here in shorts and a t-shirt, garage door open, doing work, having fun. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but it is snowing. Yes, it's cold, and you can hear it in my nose. I've got a freaking cold, and I've had it with this weather. But I need to shut up and stop complaining. So let's go inside, see what's popping off today. Got the 90, the 92, the 80, and I can't remember. Anyway, let's see what's cracking. And there's no Dover. Where is Dover? And what is this? I don't know. Hold on, let's turn some light on. See what's popping off. I don't know where Dover's at. I think he may be hiding today. But anyway, like I was saying, it is nasty cold, and everybody's sick because, like I said, it's like 70 one day and then 20 the next day. But who cares? Because the car's not done. We couldn't get it out and drive it anyway. And yeah. Getting close. So next on the agenda is the heater core and evaporator job. As you can see, it's had plenty of time to dry and seal and all that good stuff. And all the red overspray is gone. It looks so much better. So there was a red overspray there, red overspray here. Got that all painted up. And then new evaporator and heater core lines coming out. So she is looking good. The interior is still apart. We got to put the case back in and get the dash back in the car, which won't be too bad. But as you can see, she's still naked. Everything is out. Hold on, let me turn some light on so you can see. Yep, pretty naked. So we got to get that squared away today. And, you know, it's pretty much at that point where we're going to be doing all the reassembling and putting this massively sexy thing in. And oh, man, it's really getting close, and I can almost kind of feel the excitement now. The first time we started up, like when we did Scott's car, and I gotta say, it is a really good feeling. I did want to stop and take 2 seconds to mention June 9th, my event pops off. Jackson, Tennessee, Jackson Dragway. It's going to be killer hangout style drag racing. Just meet new people, see a lot of cool Fords, any Ford powered vehicles, welcome trucks, the whole 9 yards. Bring them out, have a good time. And the second thing is right below you is the link to support the patron page. That helps us do a lot of the stuff that we're doing and makes this channel possible. And I've got tons of giveaways, all kinds of stuff like that we do over there. And had our first giveaway. Shout out to Shane Dibble, a huge subscriber and supporter of what we're doing. And he scored a $130 detail kit from Jackswax. So that's just one of the things we're doing over there. So do me that favor. As soon as this video is over, click the link below, support the channel. And I promise you won't believe all the stuff we got planned, because trust me when I say there's a lot planned. Okay guys, so I got the HVAC case back in the car, and I had a few people kind of asking what's involved in taking the case out, and there really isn't a whole heck of a lot to it. I'm going to show you here. You got 3 bolts holding it up. 1, 2, and then there's one right down there that actually goes through the firewall. So you got 3, and then of course your miscellaneous vacuum lines, plugs, stuff like that. Nothing really scientific about it. Now on the engine bay side, which I just put back in, you got this one, and then this screw comes through the bottom. That's all that's holding it up. As you can see now, you got the fresh and clean, so fresh and never mind. Fresh and clean evaporator and heater cores coming through. Got those back black, so it's looking amazing. And I'm gonna finish hooking up the HVAC case and start putting the dash back together, and it's gonna be looking good. Uh-oh. Never mind. All right, so yeah, I gotta get back to work, so let's go. Okay guys, so as you've been kind of seeing, got the dash all hung back up in there, bolted down. I'm not going to go much farther with it right now, simply because we still got a lot of wiring and stuff to do when we do the control pack. But I at least wanted to get the HVAC case back in the car and get the dash hung up. Yeah, I know it looks like a mess, but it's all good. No worries. And Dover actually bought these sick wheel dollies. Those things are pretty awesome. Why? Because we need to move cars around. The other thing that we're probably going to do is do some kind of dolly for when the cars are up on a lift and everything's out of the front of the car. Obviously, you can't move the car off the lift, and we only have the one lift. So what we're thinking is doing just some up bars with some casters and stuff. So when we have one car that's waiting on parts or whatever, move it back, pull another car on the left, and continue working. So that is the plan. Man, I still can't get over this. Still cannot get over this. Looks good. Alright guys, so that is about going to wrap it up for today. We've been playing around with the brand new dollies. I love those. Those are cool, but yep. Dash is hung back in, so that's all good to go. And we'll start putting all this back together and making plans to put that in to this right here, because the polishing is pretty much done. And I don't want to fool with it anymore, simply because I'm ridiculously nervous about going through the paint again, and we need to like make forward progress, right, Jeremy?
That's right.
Forward,
not backwards.
forward progress for real. But anyway, guys, that's about what I got for you today. We're gonna keep working on the car. Like I said, there's lots coming, and I can't allude to it just yet, but I have been kind of dropping hints back and forth about what we got going on, and there's a lot, I promise. So in the meantime, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. June 9th, be in Jackson, Tennessee for the event. Hit the link below for the patron page. Trust me when I say you won't want to miss it. And catch up with you guys later.